How to remove your email on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your email on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click this one here, profile, and click this three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and here you will find the manage account. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click email here and click unlink email and click here, and now all you need to do is just type here verification code. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.